Product features of multidimensional handheld laser welder. Comparison of energy consumption. Compared with traditional arc welding, multidimensional handheld laser welding machine can save about 80%-90% of electric energy and reduce the processing cost by about 30%. Comparison of welding effect. Multidimensional handheld laser welder can complete the welding of dissimilar steel and dissimilar metal. Fast speed, small deformation and small heat affected zone. The weld is beautiful, flat, free of pores and pollution. Comparison of subsequent processes. Multidimensional handheld laser welding machine has the characteristics of low heat input and small workpiece deformation during welding. It can obtain a beautiful welding surface without or only with simple treatment, depending on the requirements of welding surface effect. It can greatly reduce the labor cost of large-scale polishing and leveling processes.